We're here today with a Hydel standout player, and this are that Sports TV's man of the match, the scorer of the first goal, Omary Henry. First of all, very good game baller. Speak to me about your individual performance today.
Well, the loss against KC, we took it personal and go back to the training ground, come back out and say, yeah, I do it. Well, Calabar is my past school, and I said, yes, I want to prove a point against them. Yeah, I play fairly well, I think.
You were an absolute menace, on your flank, constantly giving the defender trouble throughout the whole game. What was your game plan coming into today's game?
Well, as a coach tell me, my speed, my main attribute. Just take the ball, run past people, put in the back of the net. That's what I've been do. Professional football. Come here, so I'm saying much easier for me. So yeah, I just come out and do the right thing.
In the first half, you managed to pick up one on the volley and cracked it, beating it past the goalkeeper. What was going through your head in that build-up right before you scored your goal?
Well, just quick thinking. Ball come across, and I see the goal, just shoot. Yeah, quick thinking.
And you guys would have went down early, to an unforced error. What was going through your mind when Hydel conceded the first goal?
Well, I wasn't really scared because say we got this. Because we come say vengeance. Lose against Kingston College and we say vengeance. I think I'll come out and we'll do it.
Couple more games in the first round to go. What goals would you have set out for your team and for yourself to accomplish to finish out this first round?
Well, we wanted to top the zone, but still can happen. But it's like slight chance, but yeah, we still want to go to the zone. Yeah.
Alright, good game again.
Thank you.
Or man of the match.